Hey, what is going on, guys? We are going to get right into this cryptocurrency video, but first, I want you to hit the subscribe button and I want you to hit the like button. YouTube and the social networking algorithms for all content creators has been stifled. You guys have to hit the like button to push this content out to the YouTube algorithm or it won't be seen. You guys have to hit that like button, smash it, punt it, just get it in that algorithm so we can have cryptocurrency be pumping in the United States, across the ether, and in the world, guys. You know what I'm talking about. All right, so let's get right into it. We are going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about how BTC has been wobbly at $27,000 in that price range after the FOMC meeting. So what did we do? What did Powell say? We paused rates, but that's not necessarily means that we are going to not increase the interest rates for the next FOMC meeting. And what does this mean for the markets? Bitcoin and maybe the altcoin markets in general did really nothing. But we had an outlier. We had IMX, immutable, skyrockets 30% on the daily. So what does this mean? So immutable, if you're familiar with immutable, before they were branded Immutable X, and now they're just immutable. So the company is affiliated with massive NFT volume and NFT trading in markets. They run with things like Aqua, GameStop, Token Trove, their own marketplace, global marketplace, Immutable, OKX, NFT Trade, Rarible. And you can see here that they are heavily involved in crypto gaming. So I think that this, if you look at these coins and these prices and price action during the bear market, the bull market is going to just skyrocket these different crypto gaming coins, especially with this type of narrative that we're going to see a first bull market in crypto gaming and our entertainment sector of crypto. We have a lot of things in crypto that have to do with finance and staking and protocols that have to do with interoperability, swapping, and stuff like that. A lot of different narratives and protocol stuff in crypto, but when it comes to crypto gaming, this is where we're going to see a lot of the volume come in. We're going to see people love to buy, collect, trade. They want value from their games. They want more reward systems. That's as humans, we love to be rewarded. We love getting tokens and little and points and things like that, and to build up, a lot of the times, when it comes to gaming and with the things that you hold, not even have to be particularly crypto, but we like to say, oh yeah, I've been collecting this and I have this. It's just how we are as humans. So with that, let's get into the price. Let's get into the Bitcoin price. You can see here that I have these 4 different box ranges where I've showed you where the price has pumped, but then also in that same range, it has broken down. So you can see green, red, green, red, green, red, recover. This one is not as bad as this one, but these two right here are actually these 3, 1, 2, and 3 are where you see higher highs on the shorter time frame. This is on the 4 hours, so you got a higher high right here, higher high after, and then now we're back in these ranges here where we had previous resistance right here. You can see here clearly we had previous resistance. So if we look here, that is a clear spot where we had a drop at these price levels of 26,000, which went as low as on this particular candle, 25,700. Now, this is just at this resistance point. If we're looking at other previous resistance points, then we're going to be looking at this one right here, which was the most recent one, where we went down into 26.2. So we're sitting at 26,600 right now. We are sitting at the which moving average are we sitting at? We're sitting basically right at the 50 moving average. We're right on that. It looks like that we are trading above that 21 moving average. So it's looking kind of bearish right now because we're possibly going into hitting this previous resistance right here, which could bring us down into these levels. If you're looking at the chart in terms of if you're looking at the daily, we should look at the daily here, and then we can get a little bit more info with this price movement, and I can stop drawing on the drawing on the chart here. All right, so if you see here, we're having a bit of I would say almost a head and shoulders pattern, but it's kind of hard to see on this particular chart. So yeah, this is where you can see more of a clear head and shoulders pattern here. So you can see we have a couple peaks here. We got 1, 2, 3, and we can see it go a little bit lower. We're having to analyze these movements here. We have a lot of different catalysts that are coming up in the markets. We have crypto regulation coming in that is being voted on both sides, and honestly, I think this crypto bill that has been presented was denied. And also, if we want to get into the news of Binance, the CEO and CZ have dismissed and filed a dismissal claim on the SEC for them trying to investigate their bookings. So we have FUD on Binance constantly, and I think if you look at the price of Binance and you look at the actual strength of Binance, we're still in the 200s. It'd be different if we crashed and we were going down into the $190 ranges, $180 ranges, and it started to quickly crash. But I think BNB is a good coin to look at and market, especially with volume, when we start to see the FUD. And if you don't see that people are dumping BNB, then we are in a good spot. So with that being said, guys, you've got to hit the like button. You got to hit the subscribe button. You guys have to check out different exchanges as well. I don't know if you've checked out LBANK, but LBANK is becoming one of my favorite exchanges. It's actually one of the first ones that I used with no KYC, and it has it's getting a lot of trading volume. It's got coins like Caspa, XRP, ApeCoin. It has ETFs. It has all of the new minted coins, like the meme coins, all these different types of coins that are coming out. You can also do derivatives trading. And guys, use my referral code in my description, and actually, I'll make sure that you guys get the right referral code for LBANK, and you will get a nice trading bonus, and you will also be able to earn commission on trades if you refer other people as well. And also, I want to talk about BITFLEX. So with BITFLEX, this is a great platform for doing quick converts with crypto. You can also trade spot. You can trade derivatives. And what's great about BITFLEX is that it has a nice trading view integration with the charts. They've updated a lot of their platforms, so now it's a lot easier to do derivatives. And you can see here in the derivatives chart, we got all our coins that we like to trade here. And so they have a little bit of a shorter list. They're starting to add more lists once they get more liquidity. But yeah, if you want to have a, I think more of a broader list of futures, LBANK definitely has kind of a bigger list here. You can see, and then you can see on the trading volume here, highest trading volume we got in the market for a lot of these perpetuals, BNB, BTC, MakerDAO, you know, things like that. So guys, use my referral links. Happy trading. I want to know what you guys are doing in this bearish time. It's so crazy that we're still in a bear market. I mean, this is like the longest bear market. It's just, but what you guys have to realize is that there's going to be opportunities to sell and buy, but ultimately when you zoom out, we are just in an accumulation phase and fake out phases. If you look at a chart where we're in the different emotional phases of a market, we're kind of in the depression phase. We've just given up. People have just given up. But you can't give up. You guys have to stay diligent. We have to keep watching this crypto content. We have to keep learning. We have to keep educating. We have to keep staying diligent in this market, guys. And we will come out of the other side happy, and we will come out of the other side with so much experience in this market, especially if you've been here this whole entire time of all of these crashes, all of these different black swan events, all of these things that will shake you out of crypto. Well, my friends, I'm here to tell you that we will not get shaken out. So with that being said, if you haven't hit the like button yet or the subscribe button or have left a comment, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing, guys, but let's go. Let's go. Let's push this crypto content out to everyone. I want everyone to be inspired, and I want you to feel good about being in crypto. I don't want you to feel like a dunce. So with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.